Talent Search Cymru is back.
Well done, Tia, what a start. I'm going to come to Zoe. Zoe, what did you think of Tia's performance tonight?
Oh, wow. Tia, that was absolutely insane. Throughout that performance then, I was having flashbacks to the first time I ever met you in this competition. You were in my category. And I just couldn't stop beaming throughout that whole performance. I was tearing up and everything because I just feel so proud of you and how far you've come. You've been nothing but dedicated throughout every season you've done. I've said before and I'll say it again, you are way above your years. It's crazy. That was such a sophisticated and beautiful performance and vocal. I absolutely loved it. It was just so raw and emotional. It was insane, and that is definitely my favourite of yours now. So well done, baby. You should be super proud.
Bella, what did you think?
You've got a beautiful tone, and I love how you kept eye contact with us as well, and you felt everything that you were singing. I think you're absolutely fantastic. I turned around and went, wow. Turned to Joe and he's like, I like her. Absolutely amazing. Well done.
Kelly, what did you think of Tia tonight?
I love how you show so many different sides and so many things that you can do, and I think tonight is just all about that vulnerability that you've got and just that voice. And it was just beautiful. It was a really beautiful performance. It was really, really captivating. I like the fact that you explored with some little riffs in there because we haven't heard you do that yet, and I think that there's more to come from that. And your head voice in there as well was just absolutely stunning. It was so beautifully controlled. You should be really proud because you really showed yet another side to yourself, a really mature, vulnerable, really pretty tone to your voice. Well done, lovely.
Thanks,
Tia, look, you've been on a really, really interesting journey. We're seeing this little kid, and let's be honest, I'll be honest now, pretty much a diva, a drama queen, out of control sometimes, I want to fight her.
I'll win.
See? But no, literally, seeing from where I want to go all the way back now to when we first met you in the previous season that you've done. And to see that girl then and the girl that's in front of us now, there's so much development that's been made, which is incredible, because that's what this is about. It's about seeing you all grow. You're still a youngster, you're 12 years of age, you still got a long way to go yet, you know, before you're about 70% of what you can do. But what I can tell you, in terms of what you've just shown us there, you know, the reason why I didn't stand was just because there was a lack of volume in places in your voice. There wasn't enough loudness in places. It was so calm, it was almost whispery in places. But it took nothing away from how far you've come, how grown up you sounded in that, and how serious you came across as a singer in the competition. So you should be really, really proud of yourself, because that showed us that right there now, even though she's 12 and she's a little baby, she can still be serious. She can still be serious as a singer in this competition. Be really proud of what you just done there. Round of applause for the guys. Well done, Tia.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.